Have a look at those stairs. Wow. This place just gets bigger and bigger and bigger the more you look at it. Wow, what can I say? For the amount of money it's costing, which I cannot say, it's a lot of building. It's a hell of a lot of building. Wow. Now Jim, MD Melbourne, when they start rendering the walls, I'll do a close-up with a lot of detail for you because I'm very impressed with the Thai renderers. I'm really impressed. I'll go into all the details for you. I'm trying to be specific instead of just saying there's a house and that and this and that and house going. The only details I can't go into is the finances of a particular project. Put it this way, it's very much more affordable than what it would cost in Australia. Very much more affordable. But it depends whereabouts in Thailand you get your building done. If you're way up north in the country, it's real affordable. But if you come down there, Bangkok, there's so much work going on, you've got to pay a fair bit of money to get the good builders. Betty and Zoom in the building industry. I'll try to get some more details. The stairs are done today. That's a new addition. The new owners can walk up to the second story and have a look around at the neighbourhood. The roof cladding is on, mostly. It's all progressing. It's all progressing well. They haven't rendered yet. Obviously they'll probably render the whole lot once they start to for top and bottom. Wait until all the walls are up and then render it. That just makes sense. But the stairs are steel and they're at a fairly gentle slope, which I wasn't quite sure what angle they're going to be. I never thought about it. When I saw them I thought they're a lot more gentle slope than a lot of stairs you see when they're trying to fit an angle into a short space. So I've got to make them steep. They're bloody all fantastic. We've got some beautiful music in the background too. I like that music, it's very pleasant. My ear has got used to it. Makes me feel like sitting back and having a nice whiskey. Or brandy, Thai brandy. Hong Kong Thai brandy. It's quite nice. I like it. A quick pan around the neighbourhood. The neighbour's house is going up nicely. Well, the boxing for the columns are all angles or various angles because they're just up empty at the moment, haven't poured the concrete in them. Stairs are going up, all welded together, all steel. Cameraman's got to get on the camera somehow, doesn't he? Hello Christine. It's all good. The owners are very, very happy with the new house. I am scared of heights. I am fearful of heights. But here's a panoramic view of the neighbourhood. From the front veranda, second story. Prawn ponds over there. And across the road, there's the road up the end of the gravel track. Across the other side of that there's prawn ponds. The whole area really is prawn ponds and fish farms. We'll go inside the second story and have a look. How you going, fellas? YouTube doesn't take you seriously unless you've got 1,000 subscribers. I've got a miserable 119 subscribers. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a share, subscribe. Chuck yours on there, please. Try and help me get up to 1,000. I know it's a big ask. Catch us. Have a good day wherever you are. I like the way you use these clips out of Rio. They're used everywhere to hold the boxing around the door frames and the window frames and everything in place, and they just clip over both sides, hold the formwork in place. It's so simple. Teak door frames here on this one. We'll get in under the limbo pole. Hello.
Hello.
Oh. I'm just coming to look out your window. You can look down at the neighbours.
Yeah. If you do something,
If
we
I,
can.
If I do something, if I do something naughty, somebody can see. Ah, look at the scenery. That's a nice place. A nice, beautiful breeze coming in the window here. And to tell you what, guys, I don't know whether that's north, south, east or west. I really don't know. There's a view out the back of the house window. A lot of those trees are very similar to wattle trees or blackwood trees, but the seed pods and the bark and the way they grow is very similar. They're very quick growing in the tropics. Those river down there is where they caught the big fish, or that little Kong channel. I don't know what the room is. This is a little bedroom, I think. The upper back window. There's the render man. And I got all the edges. I said to Jim, all the edges here brought out from the wall, ready to be rendered. A happy worker. This is the bathroom area. Hong Nam is a Thai name which people will refer to as a toilet, but basically Hong means room and Nam means water, so it's a wet room, water room, bathroom. But if you're at a restaurant and ask for Hong Nam, it just translates to the toilet. Very good.
So what am I having for tea tonight? Check out the video at the end of our new barbecue.
There you go. I'll pick up the guy's tool, which I think you probably shouldn't do, but I will pick it up because I want to show you guys the saw. That's the saw for sawing the Hebel bricks. It's got the tungsten teeth on it, hand saw with tungsten teeth, and that's all you need to saw these Hebel bricks, these aerated concrete bricks, just a saw like that. Smiling lady, very happy. Another bathroom in here. Yep, bathroom in here with a little window. I do like the view here. It's not the Bangkok view, it's just a real relaxed view. That's where my house is going to be there. It's not big, but it'll be enough for me. I like it, it's good. I've become a minimalist in my life, and I'm realising, having had to abandon assets, I'm realising that you really don't need a lot. Anything much bigger than a hotel room and a suitcase is almost too much. But that's only my philosophy on life. I don't want to become a monk with nothing, but I'm very cautious of getting too many possessions.
Yes. Oh, this one we do about timber. Yes. And we buy timber too. This one.
Now I had a comment from one of my subscribers, John. He asked me whereabouts the build's taking place. I put a little map together here, you'll see where it is. The building is taking place on the edge of Bang Kar, which is in the province of Cha Chong Sao, which is about 1 hour east of Bangkok and about 1 hour north of Pattaya. So it's not too far to get to the beaches of Pattaya or Chonburi, and it's good and close to get to Bangkok if you need to go and buy some stuff or do stuff in Bangkok. The immediate surroundings of the block is fantastic. It's surrounded by tropical vegetation, rural fish farms, no obnoxious farms like pig farming or anything like that. It's just a really relaxed rural location. Cha Chong Sao province in Thailand. It's not a bad spot. It's close to the beach, it's close to Bangkok.
Builders are finished, they got the wireless going, they've had the shower and the scrub up, and they're going to go head off to market in the back of a ute, buy some tucker, come back, have a cook up. They don't work until dark. It's about 5 o'clock now. As you can see, all the sun up in the sky, you know. They don't work until dark, but they work consistently, steadily. And it all happens.
Next video, next week, the rendering, the fence and the start of the new house. Check it out, and don't forget to have a look at our barbecue.